Are you dreaming of having a tiny house that looks like it was built by Tesla? All the rumors about a house worth $10,000 to $20,000 that were previously revealed made you eager to own it. It's time to discover the truth behind these homes and the real price of a Tesla home. We have investigated some mysterious aspects of Tesla tiny house and the solar power options and costs for your comfortable home. The small house built by Tesla is expected to be priced even lower than the Model 2 at just $25,000. It cannot be denied that small houses have become a popular alternative to traditional family homes or apartments. Rumors even spread that the electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla is creating its own small house priced at $15,000. While these reports may not hold much value, tiny living spaces have even attracted the attention of Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who's used the prefab house from the startup Boxable as a guest house in Texas. The house was constructed in Texas on property owned by SpaceX, which Musk acquired later. The billionaire seems to have found a final solution to offer humanity a sustainable lifestyle. Since then, it became an interesting headline. We have Tesla electric cars operating worldwide, the Starlink space network orbiting the Earth's atmosphere, the AI and supercomputer systems are enveloping our lives. And it would be fantastic when a small house similar to the one built according to Elon's specifications, with all the amenities developed by Tesla, operates entirely on renewable energy. What are Elon Musk's plans for tiny homes? The Tesla tiny house is a compact, prefabricated home designed by Musk himself, powered by renewable energy sources like solar power and fully developed by Tesla. The house includes energy storage, solar panels, and batteries, specifically optimized for indoor use. Tesla currently installs solar panels and innovative solar roof systems across all 50 states, offering competitive pricing. However, pricing can vary widely between providers, with larger systems generally costing less per watt than smaller ones. The Tesla Mini House project is designed to offer an affordable living space with essential amenities for those interested in compact homes. The model chosen by Elon Musk is a modular design that folds for easy transport and unfolds on-site, making it highly mobile. Its floor plan includes 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, kitchen, living room, and a distinctive skylight for nighttime stargazing. Unlike traditional wood construction with hammer and nails, the mini house is built using steel, concrete insulation foam, and multi-layered cladding. This design enhances protection against hurricanes and other natural disasters. Additionally, the home features impact-resistant windows and doors for added security, and these elements also act as a sound barrier, reducing outside noise by 40%. To withstand natural events, the home is anchored with a foundation of solid reinforced steel blocks and includes a rainwater drainage system integrated into the exterior design. Though compact, the house is stylish, cozy, and welcoming. The interior is arranged like a studio, featuring a large shaker-style kitchen with a spacious refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, and a high window over the sink. A modern dining table for 2 folds out conveniently from the wall. The house is equipped with heating and air conditioning, a solar system, LED lighting controls, smart devices, and water plumbing. Elon Musk has expressed plans to acquire at least 20 homes in Porter, Texas, aiming to integrate Tesla's technology into these properties. This venture marks his move into real estate, with a vision to create homes that incorporate Tesla's advanced technology and renewable energy solutions, showcasing a new kind of high-tech, sustainable living space. Before moving further, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to it now. Tesla's strategic projects for development and acquisition often focus on expanding in high-demand areas, aiming to leverage growth driven by the technology sector's rapid rise. Elon Musk has designed an impressive tiny home with remarkable technical features, and although it might seem almost too innovative to believe, it may soon become available to the public. Boxable, the home's manufacturer, currently has a waiting list of 120,000 customers, with over 5,000 already placing deposits, and larger companies are also showing interest in building multiple units. What makes living in Elon's tiny home advantageous? Homes powered by clean energy are a crucial means to reduce carbon emissions, which are primarily produced by burning coal, oil, and natural gas for energy. Carbon emissions, whether from cars or factories, play a major role in accelerating climate change, spurring a shift towards cleaner energy in daily life. In this context, Tesla's tiny home stands apart from conventional houses, as it relies on renewable sources like solar power, wind, hydropower, and geothermal energy. Clean energy offers significant environmental benefits, helping to reduce emissions that harm the ozone layer and contribute to global warming. Tiny homes powered by clean energy can eliminate monthly utility bills, leaving only maintenance and repair costs. These compact homes, running entirely on renewable solar energy from Tesla's advanced systems, replace those dependent on natural gas and traditional electricity, cutting carbon emissions and fossil fuel use entirely. With the average price of a new home in the US, tiny homes offer an affordable alternative, making it possible to enjoy a creative, minimalist lifestyle. Cost savings extend to both construction and maintenance. These eco-friendly homes, often built from shipping containers, feature large windows for natural lighting and an energy-efficient setup that even allows for electric vehicle charging at home. With lower construction costs and minimal maintenance needs, tiny homes require fewer repairs and less cleaning, saving you time, energy, and money. The more time spent maintaining a large home, the less time is available for activities you truly enjoy. One of the greatest perks of tiny home living is the freedom to take your entire house with you. Planning a getaway to remote hills or forests for a few weeks? Moving is easy, allowing you to take your cozy space wherever you choose to live next. Interest in a minimalist lifestyle is growing rapidly, and tiny homes, with their smart use of space and minimalist design, offer a simpler, more sustainable way of life. As household expenses rise in the US, now may be the perfect time to consider the charm of tiny homes, which encourage people to embrace simplicity. Traditional homes demand substantial resources, while tiny homes are often built with eco-friendly materials and methods. Their smaller size means less energy is needed for heating and cooling, reducing carbon emissions. The appeal of tiny homes goes beyond immediate savings. They represent a step toward a more sustainable future, introducing innovative solutions for a higher quality of life. Are you ready to own a dream house designed for the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.